Zina, and I'm here today with this Prokah hookah from Kitosun that they just sent me. Let me show you how to assemble it. So let's do the hose first. It comes with this silicone hose, and this is one of the ends goes into the base. So we're gonna put the little spring on this side and stick this in the hose, and this just gives it the tension, the flexibility. And now on the other end, we do have two pieces that become the mouthpiece. So you take this one and kind of screw it into that one. And this makes for a nice long mouthpiece. So this is a tall hookah, so you can kind of really maneuver this. So this becomes a very nice, flexible, and sturdy hose. Now let me put together the hookah base itself. This is glass, nice and tall, really looks good. Let's take the middle stem, and to this we're going to attach the top stem. Again, everything just easily screws in by hand. You don't need any tools to do this. And now that this is attached, we can attach the down stem. And you'll see this is kind of soft silicone protected diffuser, and this is really good for the glass. And now we go ahead and just tighten it in here like so. And then for the top, we're going to put the ashtray on here, and this is a nice wide ashtray, and it really contributes to the, I think, the beautiful look of this entire hookah, and just really convenient as an ashtray. On top of here, we're going to put our hookah bowl. Put your hookah in here. Fill this up with water like so, and then put this right on top of your hookah, and take your charcoals. You would put them in, and let's attach the hose. Just plug that in like so, and voila, your hookah set is set up. Look how beautiful, tall, and amazing this looks. So this specific hookah, one great thing about it is that it creates a very even inhale, a really nice smoky cloud. Just the water really diffuses very, very well. This is also kind of a mix between Kitosun's signature modern style and the traditional hookah style. It's definitely narrow, tall. So if you prefer the traditional style of hookah with the modern and unique, sleek designs and amazing hookah bowl and HMD and just the signature quality from Kitosun, I would say this is something you gotta try. This Kitosun hookah is amazing. I love this hookah. Its performance is top quality. It looks beautiful. I would highly recommend this Prokah hookah from Kitosun.